Ni hao, 我是 Abby. Good morning, guys. It's our last full day here in Hong Kong. Ang itinerary natin today, supposedly, I thought we were going to Ocean Park. Pero magsha-shopping na lang kami kasi parang wala pa naman kaming nabubook na ticket sa Ocean Park. So, let's see how this day goes. Okay guys, dahil nasarapan kaming lahat sa strawberry, we decided to buy another one. This one is worth 40. Naghahanap kami ng hand warmer. Wala kaming makita. Still cold, but it's bearable cold na. Yung hindi ka na manginginig. Ang outfit natin for today, ala Slater and Fritz. Bumili ko ulit kami ng strawberry kasi yung strawberry na bili namin sa Fire and Street was super sarap. Tingnan natin to. Namit? Dito guys, nag-picture si Chris tsaka si Slater. Order tayo guys, McDo. Wala pala sila ditong cheesy egg disal, no? Cancel ang McDo, guys. Sold out yung kanilang hot chocolate. So ngayon, puntahan na lang namin kung saan daw kami nag-launch ng first full day namin. Sa Cafe de Oral ba yun? Malapit sa Chungking Mansions. Tapos na kami kumain sa cafe. Cafe ano ngayon?
Coral.
Cafe Coral. Ayan, punta naman daw kami ng Mongkok. Kasi gusto nilang pumasyal sa Sneaker Street. Umulan ngayon guys. So kanina diba sabi ko bearable yung weather. It was 12. So ngayon umulan. Nag-drop siya ng 10. Mag-vlog daw si Mama. Ano yun, Ma? Nasaan na tayo?
This is Mongkok.
Ano meaning ng Mongkok? Bowl.
Mongkok means shopping.
Ah, really?
La.
So guys, bibili tayo ng
30.
ice cream. Ba't ang weird? Parang jelly. Parang parang hindi pa firm yung machine niya. Success guys, nakabili kami ng North Face for 598 Hong Kong dollars. Thanks, bebe. Yeah. Ganda nito siya guys. Ayan o, 598 lang siya. Pwede siyang laptop bag. Nakita kami dito guys. Octopus candy machine. Yeah, pick a design.
Hummy berry.
29. Yan, okay. Okay, top octopus card. Receipt and then ito na siya guys. Wow!
Siya magambal ka muna lang.
Hindi na shape ya. one is pink and this one is banana. Ano man? Uy, makibot si Kilan nga. Wala na ni. Nuts, do you remember this place? Ito guys, meron silang mga chocolates ba ito? Mga Chinese desserts? Hindi ko maintindihan pa na yung Chinese yung nakasulat. Is this a sign? Hello, Dad. Look, may kastanyas. Chestnuts roasting in an open fire. Thank you. Nandito kami guys ha. Hindi ko alam ang pangalan ng restaurant na to kasi it's in Chinese. Order kami ng food. Kailan is asleep. Kung naghihintay, let's try yung kastanyas kung masarap.
Orange. Pure na pure.
Hello. Hi guys! As promised, mag-room tour tayo. Good evening guys. Time check, it's 6:30 PM. Nag-power nap lang kami ni Cops and then susunod na kami kung nasan sina Mama. They said they are at K11 Mall, which is near the Avenue of Stars kasi 7:45 PM yung start ng Symphony of Light, so I guess doon na kami muna magdi-dinner. So let's go! So na guys, labas na tayo. Ay go! Si Lola na bangga dun sa pintuan ng hotel namin. Ang lakas ng lagabong niya. Feeling ko bubukol yun. Lalakarin natin guys. All the way straight there. It's a 14-minute walk. And nandun na din sa dulo yung Avenue of Stars. Tsaka yung Victoria Harbor. Masakit ng tiyan ko. Parang napasukan ng lamig. So parang kinakabag ako. Nakalobo siya ngayon. Hello guys, we have made it. Nandito tayo sa K11 Mall. It took about 12 minutes to walk here. But look at this! They have a Super Mario Brothers Wonder. Ay, hindi gumagana yung kanilang screen, sad. Okay guys, we're now walking towards Victoria Harbor. This is Nathan Road at night guys. Nathan Road is the main road dito sa HK. May pa-bus sila dito. It's a double-decker bus na open yung taas. So, pwede kayong sumakay dyan. This is Victoria Harbor, guys. Sobrang ganda nito at night. Bearable na ang weather natin today, guys. Meow! Bye! Kaya po kami nandito guys kasi magsi-CR lang po kami. Ang isa kagumay nga muna is 14,000 pesos. Bili muna tayo dito ng fishball sa Victoria Harbor while waiting for the Symphony of Light. So, ito yung current situation ngayon. Yan, ang daming taong pumupwesto dito. Pero doon kami nakapwesto doon. Kita naman siguro yan. Pero usually kasi talagang nakikipagsiksikan kami dyan. There you go guys. Tag 30 Hong Kong dollars yan. Merong fishball sa siomai. Cheers! Now let's try the fishball. Masarap yung fishball. Hindi na ganon guys kasaya yung kanilang laser light show nila.
It's the laser.
Dati may mga pa-sounds pa, madami silang
laser
speakers dito, but ngayon parang sa gitna na lang. Ayun lang, may nakasulat yung mga billboard nila, Hong Kong! Hello guys, time check, it's 10:06 p.m. It's our last night here in Hong Kong. Meron pa kasi akong natitirang 50 Hong Kong dollars plus laman ng octopus card ko. So, I wanted Caps to come along with me tonight. Kaya lang, may work pa siya, may pinahabol na work yung boss niya. So, I guess it's just me. Ang gagawin natin, punta tayo ng claw machine na store. Try natin makakuha ng toy doon. Then, for my octopus card, busin natin siya sa 7-Eleven. Sabi ni Caps, maybe I can buy daw mga weird na snacks. So, let's see how this goes. Kanina nag-dinner kami sa isang Chinese restaurant. Nakalimutan ko na naman anong name niya. Masarap yung food. Kumain kami ng deep fried pigeon. Lasa siyang native na manok. So, tomorrow, alis kami ng 7:30 a.m. And then, flight namin to the Philippines is at 11. We're here. Ang daming couple sa loob. Tayo single tayo today. So we have to make sure na walang nalaglag na hindi sa basket. Okay. Bakit ganun? Pinibitawan niya. Na hindi siya pumasok. So, tinulungan tayo. Ito kaya, ilaglag natin si Mike Wazowski, guys. Last coin. Wala na guys. Goodbye. So wala guys. Hindi successful ang ating claw machine. Gumastos tayo ng 50 Hong Kong dollars, that's how much? May natitira pa akong around 30 or 40 sa octopus card ko. What to buy? What to buy? Wala akong nakitang pwedeng bilhin yung sa 7-Eleven. Ano pa tayo dito? Baka meron pa dito ang iba. Ay, sorry. Baka meron pang ibang kainan dito or convenience store. Wala na ba? Ay, wala na. Karamihan closed na. So guys, may nakita akong cute na store. Uy, ito guys, nice. Pwede yun, pwede mag-buy ng octopus card. Chicken feet dailies. Hindi naman natin pwedeng dahan. Wala guys, wala rin akong nagustuhan. So balik na tayo ng hotel. Anong gagawin natin sa octopus card natin? So, nandito na tayo guys. We're back in our hotel. Wala ako nakitang magandang bilhin ng mga snacks sa mga nadaanan natin. Kasi parang yung mga Asian stores, meron din naman sa Pilipinas. So, anyway, I'll wrap up our trip na. Thank you so much for watching at sa pagsubaybay ng ating episodes for this Hong Kong trip. Ang dami tumitingin sa akin, pero hindi naman nila ako naiintindihan. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye! We have finally made it sa Hong Kong International Airport. Nakakatawa yung driver namin this time. Madaldal siya. Breakfast at McDonald's here at Hong Kong International Airport.
Hindi ko nga, doon ka rito.
Ayun sa entrance. Tayo kasi ba guys? One another. Napalala natin yung papuntaan. Hello guys! Nandito na po kami sa ice skating ng... Where are we? We're in Mega Mall. I'm with Caps and the kids. Well, the kids! We're gonna try ice skating after how many years? Kaya pa? Okay, no? Hello, tita. This is what's happening. This is how I babysit. Help me. I don't know how to stand. Ayun na guys, we are done. Hurt? So dito guys, yung rentahan nila ng lockers. That's 125 pesos per locker. Good na din siya for 2 hours. And then we have our ice skating shoes. They have sizes available from size 1 to 12. So I got mine in size 8. I'm usually a size 7, US 7. But they gave me one for size 8. And I think masyado siyang maluwag. So nangangalay ako kapag skating na. Did you guys have fun? Those faces don't say fun.